This is just an incredible place, friends. We didn't know about it at all. We were just driving by chance and saw it in the distance. We saw a waterfall. I think we need to cool off. Seriously.
Come on, go ahead. Would you like to do something like this?
No, that's awesome.
Very nice.
Very tall. Waterfall.
Hey, Mom, went to Chikmalu. You have to cross a bridge like this to get to the waterfall. Show what's down below.
This isn't the best way for those who are afraid of heights. Let's go. And, you know, to get to Shikarnoy, you need to go through Shiroy, and Ahmed lives in Shiroy, whom you've already seen.
Hey, how are you? Everyone's in London, I'm going to London, yeah, is that it?
The house has been finished. Well, yeah, that's all. The name Savra'a. When was the last time you had lunch with that kind of view? I don't even remember. Probably in the Yurten Tears, probably, yeah. Or maybe. Ebedov. To see how well we're sitting. Everything except for this. Homemade sour cream, honey, this kind of honey, cheese, very tasty cheese and very tasty sour cream. I think to find it here and buy it, if they will sell it. We ate, she fed us until we were full, served tea as a hostess, didn't raise her voice. And Ahmed, not to the people, he also gives it to Azla, and if he gives it to the people, it's 10. Now we are heading further to Shikarnoy. Don't rush to congratulate Ahmad in the comments right now for recently getting married. We made it to this settlement, Shikarnoy. Everything here is so authentic. And it's atmospheric. Look, the fence here is made specially. Yeah, the staircase. So that people can go down.
Now let's try to talk to some of the locals.
We're all under siege. And in his sleep, he's looking for taro. The price of baths is reasonable and fair. Bakkay çağrı, bakkay çankı, bakkay çağrı. Why did they drink? The last one is scraped. Dolaka bayrekti bul kütsinesi lakili.
The Hermitage Salon. They'll take it.
Ugar, I don't know what you're doing. Yes, you're acting strange again. Can't you take down this salon? Yes.
Yes, I mean, what are you doing?
In all our Chechen towers, there are exclusive masonry works with these stones.
I just can't imagine how it's possible to place these stones so symmetrically.
Are there any assumptions that this is some kind of technology?
The stones, yes. How did they shape these stones?
Ertules, Gadutis Kana, Ertubulos Kana, Bilish Kana, Chess Order, Chakoza, 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 Chakoza.
Looking for the Pleitesh staircase, that is Okoli, Ryu action. Here is Pleitesh, yes, yes, Kotana, Chuikar Gulish, Arikar Naglas, that is Chuikar Tulbilush, Schen, Pleitesh, Tuluni, Khalukhni, Dekansa, Kinseri, and Kran Mran Tsahun Kilyas is looking for Khalilyu.
About this person, Ugalish.
It seems like a person. Us, it seems they and the voters. Well, how exactly in the end?
زين كان السيخ يطينا يتسيك إيرانا شنك إيرانا دنيا بتا شر شنشرة قوشرة اشتت إجاء البيتين.
I'm a hypocrite. I did the work and heard it too. That's the truth about me.
Could you have built this Surbat over several years? Yes, 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 it turns out. We seek God's forgiveness and repent.
Subark. Approximate.
There are dates? In which century?
Approximately. Elakchin, Kanzamasun, Tashna, Tsunach, Derek, El Kurdats, 700 or 800 years, Bakush, Ish, T.A.E. Deitsash, Kaznason, E, Sunach, Derek, Son Bagdar, Kurdats, I, Sh, Deitzar, Kazdatson, Tachna, Sidal, Awu. Khulson, Nukanzamanash, Yaka Yuka, T, Ichaba, Ya Ish, Te, Erush, Ish, Te, Sharaderish, Ish, Te, Iguanakhar, Yulva Mansar, East Longitude, Bashnish, East Longitude,
Khanzamanash, Yaka, Yulshuash, Chaba, Ichbachush. To be continued. Abdul Basha Malkhot, Sashmatik Allahu El Merzik.
What's wrong with you, Ali, you Karko, Old Mersik, Dubak, Busuk, Din? Yeah, Dubak, Old Dubak, eh?
Der Din Chekhaina, Din Karduk, Baraban Dubak, Hausan Karduk.
We have a cart, Ali.
Es Gibson Khotaushel Azu Khalaklash Kirchesh Kirkesh Utep Tukhnin. The brush is always in the glass box. A big box ate up because of him. Chek is not a good friend for the teacher.
A couple of poems.
There is mineral, yes, there is. There is mineral.
Where is he?
There, where we are.
We live where...
There where we live, 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 there where we live.
There, where we live.
So we finally got to see a bear. It finally happened. I have dreamed about this for a very long time.
Now Beshta will try to send the drone there. Subtitle editor A. Semkin, proofreader A. Yegorova.
This is the second time we filmed a bear, but this time there were actually two of them. I have very long fingers, actually about 2 centimeters longer. Let's be honest.
Yes, very much Israel donation.
Honestly, yes.
Look, just
Now compare my hand and this Chechen speaking guy, Chechen speaking Agayadu.
Helicopter, yes, there it is, like a soul.
yes, Kluba Olios.
And here,
Livestock was kept here, as I understand.
Refugee, Holikus, Dakin, Lilos, Justice of the Supreme Lilos, Metki, Shoyish, Alzamin, Kalbuki, Sarai.
I lived in Filare when I was Mordom. What am I? Dichig, Dotsish. And what am I? Kuma, this is me, Letzen. I am Topotsish, looking for Plit, looking for Ulga, Kayakish, searching to come up with something.
And I Urk, Metelkain, Aloknuk, Erekni Sere, searching, Sankok, Dode Dik, Adadu, Desh, Metelkain, Jelish Desh, and I lived, and I Tsatsuk, Aina.
Now, we will visit the local museum. All of this was collected by Yapo. This is his small collection. What do we have here? What is this? Shiktori, warrior.
warrior. Medovi.
Visual art, artist art. I mean, there are lilies, sherry, just yes, beauties, bachelors.
Okay, and where to here?
Khartukba. This is the core, let it launch something.
Careful, Mama.
Pushed, it will. Well,
Next, here.
what is this? These are copper eggs, you hear. Copper rivets, copper eggs. And this is what I can do. Chuki, gush, pistic, he's pistic.
I know.
Here. The legs were shuffling. Zin.
How are you?
Everything's fine. Yes, everything.
Good,
How are you? Yes, everything is fine, comfortable. We have breaks. We can go. Yell him forward. Yell him. Yes. This is homemade ahırdokus, kahırdokus, melnitsu, yes. Shells, yes, shells here. There are a lot of interesting things here, all sorts of them, so go ahead and write in the comments. Who knows what this kind of stone was used for? It's very smooth, kind of cylindrical in shape. Right now, press pause and write your options. Take a look. Here is the tower in a reduced form. This is because I assembled it myself. Show it in close-up and how these stones were glued together. And is there any glue there? I've heard many times that in Chechnya, this technology of laying stones in this way has long been lost.
Here is the proof to the contrary, and so on.
One of those people still carries this knowledge and knows how to do it. A visual example is a model of the tower. How long did it take? 3 months. Each stone was shaped. Yes. And who taught you this craft? Sayam Belixer Antonis. At this moment, and the blacksmith for him
They say if you go there or stay under it, you will not be able to get out, and if you do, you will be in trouble because of this situation.
This is not weak. This is not weak. This is not
Healers, you don't know what that means. These are not healers. Hey, Kizu.
The girls are resting. These are not healers. These are not healers. Maharshi Bhai Ashwini.
Friends,
Gordopaya, Diana.
Anatoly, Adeke.
Adeke, Meshta, friends, be sure to share your impressions about this place and about this wonderful person. And now we're heading to Ahmed's home. He promised to grill some shashlik for us. Because we have to prepare in advance.
And we had to.
Ooh.
Chechens have a tradition. When a young man gets married, he doesn't appear in front of his father or his father's brothers for several days. And just now we witnessed it, while he was hiding from his uncle, but his uncle still caught up with him. An awkward moment. I really don't want to leave this wonderful place. I feel like I'm leaving a piece of my heart here. But this day is coming to an end, and this video should end as well. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments and like the video if you enjoyed it.
Only thanks to you will this video be promoted.
See you in the next episode. Bye.